How to add Snapchat filter to a picture from phone gallery. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to apply Snapchat filter to photos in your gallery. Now open Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now tap on this gallery icon, this one. After you tap on this gallery, now go to this camera roll. From this section, now scroll to down and go and search for the picture you want to add. So for me, I'll just go ahead and search for a picture. I'll use this one. After you select your photos or your picture you want to add the filter to it, now tap on this little arrow. After you tap on the arrow, now you have different pictures. So now swipe your hand to right or left like this. So from this section, now I have the filter section. Now go ahead and search for the filter you want to add to the picture. So I'll just go ahead and search for a filter. After you found the filter you want to add, like this one, all you have to do, after you found the filter you want to add to the picture, like this one, so I'll use this one. So now if you want to download the picture, you can tap on this, long press your hand on the export button and swipe to left and tap on this download button. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat filter to a picture from phone gallery. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe.